This one is a 1957 Remington Quiet-Riter. It's got a nice case that comes with it. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Start with the line space. 1 space works good. 2 space works good. 3 space works good. Backspace works good. Left carriage release works good. The bell works good. Right carriage release works good. Left margin works good. Right margin works good. Tab, set a tab by pressing this lever up. Works good. Clear the tab by hitting it down. Works good. Let's get to the end of the margin. Margin release works good. Let's take a look inside. The spool covers. Here's the switch to change the ribbon direction. Now going on the left, as you can see it's pulling to the left, but since all the ribbon is on the left, we're going to go to the right. As you can see, it's pulling to the right. It's also got a touch control here, 1, 2, and 3, and the ribbon selector. Blue, nothing. The blue goes to the top, which is the black, and then the red, which is all the way to the right. We're going to start with the black. Take a look at the machine. It's in really good condition for its age. So is the case. You can see all the pictures on Etsy or eBay by searching Brooksaw Antiques. Now I'm going to type your sample and show you how the print types. Paper's a little crooked, but it's okay. As you can see, all keys work good, none of them stick. I'm going to show you the red, the regular sentence. Get a close-up of the print.